Nilgiri Hills of South India, the homeland of the indigenous Toda people who have been occupying the highlands of the Nilgiris for over 3,500 years. Their temples are of 6 hierarchical dairies, of the lowest to the highest. They're dairy temples. Toda barrel vaulted structure, that is the actual emblem of the entire district of the Nilgiris. But people are completely oblivious that this emblem of the logo of the entire district of Nilgiris, the barrel vaulted architecture of the Todas, is actually hurtling towards extinction. So the Todas are basically pastoral people, and they herd their buffaloes, which is a unique breed of the Asiatic water buffalo, Bobalis bobalis. They are one of the few indigenous people in the world who have remained pacifist and vegetarian out of choice. These people still continue their life practices where their mundane lives are circumscribed by nature and not the other way around. In the first time in the last few decades, they have become unwilling farmers, I should say. My name is Dr. Tarun Chabra. I'm a dentist by profession, and I've been working towards ecological work and restoration in the Nilgiris, and also towards revitalizing the culture and language of the indigenous Toda peoples. The Todas are unable to build these similar kind of structures for their dwelling places, and the government has been promoting them to move into concrete structures which are incongruous with their surroundings. We need to bring out a structure that blends with modernity and the tradition as far as the dwelling places are concerned, and also that will be a game changer for the future.
Architect Neela Manjunath from Bangalore, India, and I have been working in the sustainability sector for close to 4 decades, and I have also been documenting traditional building practices, including bamboo and many others, and I have been adopting them in my designs. Dr. Tarun Chabra approached me for this Toda cultural revival project, especially the traditional Toda huts. We had the task of incorporating all these wonderful features and properties of the traditional Toda dwellings, along with this modern amenities. Hamlet plan that you can see, it is made of 7 units. There are 3 of the bigger size, and there are others smaller ones, and 1 Toda hut for which we have detailed the design, which has got all these amenities that I spoke about. An extra bedroom, kitchen and storage facility, ventilation, smoke exhaust and natural light, enhancing the overall health of the occupants. Rainwater harvesting, wind and solar energy for energy and water supply. A bamboo garden near the Toda hamlet for regular material supply and enhancing biodiversity. Barrel vaulted model, retaining traditional aesthetics while accommodating modern lifestyles, will encourage the young Todas to adopt them, avoiding concrete houses unsuitable for their climate. Offers valuable lessons for architects, planners, and policymakers striving to balance progress with heritage. For students and volunteers, it will provide hands-on experience in sustainable, community-driven design. Sense of pride and identity for the Todas and cultural continuity, which was one of the key impact that we are aiming for. This would be a new model of development of an endangered tribe and culture. Thank you.